Let's try and navigate through some of this Norwood craziness. FSD now. Stop except right turn. Do not need to stop here. Come to a full stop. Mark that's not good. Just not data in there, map data for this part of Norwood. Very timid, very slow, 2 miles an hour, creeping for visibility, 4-way stop. Okay, left turn here, got green. A little herky-jerky, not sure which lane to get in. We need to be in the right lane. That's good. Yeah, we got these, sometimes it sees those green lights that are for the other lane. We've got this very odd intersection here. Sometimes you'll see those green lights and think they're for this lane. And now it sees those, so it did it correctly today. That's good. Call that sweet. Alright, got another interesting intersection here. A 5-way stop. Got a car across the way, which is not going to interfere with us. So took a little extra time, but nothing. Kind of tight squeeze there a little bit. No problem. Another 4-way stop. We'll probably go very slow at. Nope. Creeping forward for visibility. Huh. It was still saying creeping forward even though it was almost across the intersection. Oh, we slowed for the speed bump. That's nice. Make a left turn here. Got a jogger going against the grain. And we had a green light. Nobody's having problems. Very nice. Flashing yellow here now. There's no reason to stop here. Just flashing yellow. Just going to take a near complete stop. Not good. Changing lanes? No, not going to change lanes. Yep, we're going to change lanes. Well, not sure why I did that. For some reason, I started to think we shouldn't change lanes. Maybe because lane marking is really hard to see. A lot of times cars are parked back there too. Interesting navigation today. We do have a pedestrian that picks him up. Wants to go left here. Usually we just go straight around. Change a little bit. Now we're going to go through the parking lot today. Okay. Then destinations, these EV parking, we're kind of riding on the parking lane lines here. Clearly there's not much visibility. You had the parking. I hadn't seen parking for a while. AutoPark. AutoPark in progress. Let's try AutoPark today. Okay. Not that it was going to hit that car, but we had plenty of space over here